Welcome to ABC Playland. Today, let's learn about some yummy fruits. Mango,
This is a mango.
orange,
This is an orange.
lemon,
This is a lemon.
apple,
This is an apple.
banana,
This is a banana.
watermelon,
This is a watermelon.
pineapple,
This is a pineapple.
grapes,
These are grapes.
strawberry,
This is a strawberry.
cherry,
This is a cherry.
papaya,
This is a papaya.
peach,
This is a peach.
kiwi,
This is a kiwi.
pear,
This is a pear.
melon,
This is a melon.
avocado,
This is an avocado.
tangerine,
This is a tangerine.
lime,
This is a lime.
blueberry,
This is a blueberry.
raspberry,
This is a raspberry.
guava,
This is a guava.
tomato,
This is a tomato.
pomegranate,
This is a pomegranate.
plum,
This is a plum.
green apple,
This is a green apple.
lychee,
This is a lychee.
coconut,
This is a coconut.
passion fruit,
This is a passion fruit.
jackfruit,
This is a jackfruit.
dragon fruit,
This is a dragon fruit.
fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Healthy snacks for everyone.
See you next time on ABC Playland.